Today, man, look at my wild hair. Today we're gonna show you how to install the left wiper on the Kia Rondo. The right one's already installed. It's way easier to put on than the left one. The right one is literally just a clip, goes over the wiper. For this one, you're gonna have to put the clip inside of this, whatever it's called, right there, and then it's gonna clip onto there. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can do it with one hand since I don't really have a support. Okay. So then you lift up this piece right here, and then you slide in the actual wiper holder thing, and then you slide the wiper, the little clip inside the hole, and then you just pull on it, and then it clips, and then bam, now you have the wiper. And now both wipers are installed. This one's the harder one though because of the clip. To remove, you just lift up the clip, pull back on it, and then this will come off. Yeah, that's it on the Kia Rondo.